welcome to C's Corner. This is my new friend Penguin. Say hello. Hi. Today we are going to make a nice cool art. Okay, let's go. We need a plate and some water, a brush, and I got red paint here, string, a white paper. We got the plate and the brush, some water, and the paint. I put little bit water inside the plate, then I put red. Then I mix them with the brush. Then I have a string of a piece like this long. Then I put the string like this, but don't put the all. Yeah, just a little bit. We need to hold like this. Okay, and I put this a bit way. Then I have the white paper. Then I fold it like this. Then I open that. We get the string like this. Then we need to put it in the paper like this. This. Okay, then I put the string like this. You get that with the brush. Then we need to fold it like this. I left this white bit right there out of the paper. Then I need to fold it like this. Then I off the string in the paper. Then I off this, a nice design inside. You can try this with the different colors. See you next time. Bye.